Hello and good morning. We are launching a brand new collection for the first time in our Kota cotton fabric, and it's a beautiful print, florals, all meant for this season and coming in just in time to beat the heat. So this is the first time, in fact, we have tried a block print. So we have done a block print technique to work on these same on same all print look, and lots of firsts there because we haven't done Kota cotton earlier, then we haven't done block print, we haven't done an all print look, which we were really, thinking that how will it come all together, but then we're really happy with how it has. You're going to be seeing 9 options for you to pick up from, but a small story on how I kind of happen to love Kota cotton, and that's a very specific fabric. So my mom used to wear a lot of these Kota cotton sarees. She's from Rajasthan, we are from Rajasthan, so she used to wear a lot of these while I was growing up. Okay, so it's got that floral, it's got that slight fluff in a good way, but I used to always wonder why she loved it so much. And of course she used to dress it up with pearls or some delicate jewelry because it's so easy to kind of dress it up. So मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि what is so special about it. When I got married and there was this function, and for the first time I wore a Kota cotton sarees because, of course, as you know, with all things textiles in India, all variations, all things great happen in the saree space, of course, which is why Neve has come in. So when that happened, then I said, I'm going to wear this, and when I wore it, it was the most comfiest, the softest fabric that you could think of, And since then and today, I've always been trying to do something in this space, but yes, it's made by a completely different cluster of, weavers. So yes, it has taken us some time, and artisans actually more than weavers. So yes, but this is our first collection launching right here. Now let's talk a bit about the look. The pictures and the style guides will come a bit later, but हमेशा याद रखिए कि WhatsApp पे आप order कर सकते हैं. It's a very small capsule, really lovely collection that you're seeing. This fabric that I'm wearing is 1450 per meter. मैंने एक silhouette use किया है जिसमें it's a broad pant straight kurta, so about 5.5. Okay, and if you're of course taller, then you will need like about 6 meters because of the broad pants. Now what you're seeing, this touch of green that you're seeing everywhere, ये fabric में खुद में ही है, which is what I've given. I've also done some detailing right here, and it's like a bottle style neck. It's a beautiful different neck that I wanted to try. Okay, this is with the fabric itself, and yes, the print, the dupatta, ultra light, the full same collection, and I think it looks amazing. I think it's so good to be wearing it together, and you should go for it. So I'm going to first just show you the fabric. Ultra lightweight, by the meter, and something that's very important in this fabric is the color of the lining, because you have to have it perfect, this lining, for this entire look to come. तो हम आपको ये कोटा कॉटन फैब्रिक है, and that is what we have worn for the bottom, for the kurta, and for the dupatta. And remember, ये lining के साथ है. Even for my bottom, there is a lining. I'm trying to show it to you so that it's easier for you to know why it's so important to get the color right, to get the fabric right. And क्योंकि ये mal cotton है, एकदम soft है feeling. So I'm now going to first show you the things like this. Like this is the fabric, look at that. That's the fabric, that's a beautiful fabric. And of course this is a signature one. बहुत सारे सुंदर colors हैं. I liked this. I mean, each one has its own beauty. You can pick up any. But yes, all of this super limited. We do hope that it will go on pre-order very, very quickly. See, washable ka, you have to dry clean it. You have to dry clean it for the first few times, and then you can try it, like a without dip kind of wash. Now, what I'm showing you is the fabric in itself, the perfect lining that you're going to be wearing with it. And today is special because I'm going to show you a lining with each one of them. Okay, so that's the fabric, 1450 per meter. Let's give you some maths. If you're going to go for just 7.5 meter fabric, which means the dupatta and 5 meters of kurta, then the maths is going to be 10,875. Okay, 10,875. Then you add कि यार मुझे lining भी दो, because lining बहुत जरूरी है, and you must take the lining from us. Then the maths becomes 13275. Okay, so that's the maths behind it. And of course you can say that, you know, I want a different dupatta option, do you have it? And then I will say yes, of course I have it. I'm going to keep this dupatta here. So it will depend on what is it that you prefer. Do you prefer the Kota silk dupatta? Okay, now you can see this. So if you're somebody who likes ye jo contrast hai iska, and I think it looks very nice as well. Of course uska ek charm hai of wearing it, that full look. But if you think that it is something that you like, you know, this pop of green, so basically ye dekhiye, no, the fabric is Kota cotton. This dupatta that I'm doing is Kota silk. So that's the fabric, and you know, so that's the whole look that you can go for. And I'm telling you, the secret is कि Kota cotton को आप कितना भी dress up करें, it's going to be so amazing. So I'll show you the two dupatta options again. That's the dupatta option. अच्छा, इसके साथ जो मैच है 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टे का, it is 10850. If you're going to go for a, you know, broad pants like the way I have gone, you will need a little more. मैंने आपको 5 का हिसाब दिया, but then you'll need 5.5, and if you're larger sizes, then you'll need 6. Okay. Now I'm going to give you both look right here, so you can compare. This is all print, all in Kota cotton, and super nice. And then this is, you know, this is the contrast look, which is also Kota, but it's Kota silk, and with this stunning pop of green. So pick up any colors and absolutely make the most of this. Now, okay, keep this aside. I'm going to take it again later. I'm going to go to some serious work now, and especially showing you the options that are there. Okay, they are ultra lightweight. Okay, and now I'm going to say that if you are looking for anarkalis, if you're looking for a skirt and a blouse or a top, this is going to be a great fabric. Okay, now एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगी, that when you see a print, okay, I'm now going to show you the print, and then I'm going to show you the print again, because it's the dupatta and the kurta, you know, so I'm going to show it to you like this. But of course I will try to put it on like this so that you can actually get an image of how it looks out. Look at that. That's your full look. This is going to be a kurta and bottom, and then you're going to wear the same print dupatta. And guys, ये range ऐसी है that you have to go trying. Now look at that. That's going to be a dupatta. It is going to look amazing. Of course you can go for the contrast dupatta. उसको आप सेम कलर में भी करा सकते हैं, बट इसका जो मजा है, इट इज अ लॉट. ओके, सो आई नो विजुअली आपने सिर्फ मेरे लुक का देखा, देखेंगे द होल सेम ऑन सेम लुक, बट ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज गोइंग टू लुक सुपर फाइन. वेयर योर ब्यूटीफुल ज्वेलरी, ड्रेस इट अप, डू सम. मैंने थ्रेड वर्क कराया है यहाँ, ओके, एंड दिस इज द ओनली डिटेलिंग, बिकॉज रेस्ट ऑफ दिस पाइपिंग इज ऑल इन देयर फैब्रिक, बट ये जो डिटेलिंग है, इट्स ऑल देयर, यू नो, सो यू शुड यूज इट. You can get it in thread work, okay, you can get it in zari work, you can do a little more embroidery. It's going to be fun. Okay, now let's keep this aside. I'm now just going to show you this. So you can tell us you want a same on same look, which is going to be the kurta, the fabric and the dupatta, or you can tell us that you want to go for, like, you know, plain dupatta and the kurta and bottom printed. Of course iska printed ka hi maza hai, you know, you can do a plain bottom, but look at this, all of this detailing from the fabric itself. Ye jo piping hai, ye use hui hai. Now look at this. This is how light and lovely this is going to be looking. I'm going to go off screen, just block myself out so that you can only see how beautiful this is, because of course when you wear prints, then you know you want to show only this. Look at that. That's with lining. जो हमारी लाइनिंग है. ओके, नाउ वी गोना गो बैक एंड ओके, कीप द फ्लोस कमिंग, कीप द कलर्स कमिंग. लेट्स डू दिस नीचे वाला, सेकंड नंबर वाला. लुक एट दैट, इट्स अ स्टनिंग वन. सो yes, do this or do that. You have both options for you to go. I want you to show me all different colors. This one is super pretty. Okay, all of these borders right there. Now let's show this to you. This is the third one. हाँ, आप शॉर्ट दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं. Yeah, that's also actually possible. So of course, you know, it'll depend. So you don't want a 2.5, you can take 2.25, which is the beauty when you make these kind of pieces. Look at that. That's a really nice one. You take a shorter dupatta, but I would really say you take a same on same. मुझे, you know, you'll see the maths works out to be almost the same whether you go for a plain dupatta or whether you go for a print. but I'm insisting because I think it's going to look so nice all together. Now look at that. This is going to be the dupatta with the border. This is the kurta, and you have a border so you can use it somewhere. Like, look at this. Now this is the perfect way of showing it. Let's get the lining. Now we'll put the lining behind, and you see that's the color effect that it has. और इस बात पे I will also open our lining and show it to you. This is 480 per meter. It is perfection. It is softness. It is color match, pre-dyed, pre-shrunk, because it's already dyed, right? It's already gone on water, which is what makes it so perfect. So I'm just trying to put this look together for you. Look at that. That's your, with lining look. Let's get it here. Yeah. And then you have this ultra light dupatta to go with it. That's your dupatta. So full complete set is what 13,275 with all of that. There's no dupatta in this. There's no dupatta in that. Is there a contrast? Okay, there's no contrast in that. If you want, you can take the light blues. Just let us know. Another pink that's just ravishing, and this is, of course, what is this? The third or the fourth? Sorry, this is the fourth. Okay, so we are going to go into the fourth one. Now look at that. That's a beautiful design. I think it's damn nice with, again, the pop of green that is there. Buy by the meter. This is your exact look. This is going to be a dupatta. Let's show it to you like this. Yes. Okay, that's going to be a dupatta. This is your kurta, and of course, give me that dupatta as well. But this pink, okay, I'll just show it to you. You want to go for this kind of dupatta with it. The Kota silk will give you the option. You can match it. You can match it even in the green. But I think jo maza hai iska, that is definitely with the print. Now, okay, let's show it to you like this. That's the whole thing with lining, and you must, for this one, definitely check with us on the lining and go for the whole look. This whole collection is definitely inspired by 100% by my mom, who used to wear so much Kota, who used to love it so much, and I used to always wonder why she wears it so much. But with Neve, of course, I've had the chance to kind of be able to experiment, create, and I have been testing this fabric for some time, and I think it's so gorgeous, so amazing, and just really beautiful. Okay, that's the border that's coming with this one. Isko main isliye andar dal rahi hu because I want to show it to you with the, there you go, this one, and I think it's so pretty. Okay, that hint of brown is just amazing. And remember, okay, very important thing, some colors that you're seeing, okay, like the pink one that I've worn, like, what is that, a peach or pink, whatever, peach and red hair actually, that one I have worn is a little more, the fabric we have made it, rest, and even the one that I've worn, even as such, it's all very limited. So yes, the idea is just to kind of make this as a capsule collection and see how you much like it, how you like it. Okay, दुनिया भर से कहीं भी ship करें, we can do that for you. Watch the live, place the order. Look at that. That's your full look. The dupatta falling really soft. Okay, and okay, one second, I'm going to bring that to show you the light dupatta, because is this color. I also think, yeah, it does look nice. The main look is, of course, of the same on same. But it has this color particularly looks really nice. Okay, yes, Kota and cotton. Okay, Kota and cotton, it's the first time that we are trying it. Look at that color. It is so, culturally, yes, this is a color that's very close to me, and the whole look is about how you can build up this print to make it work for you. There's so many options. They're the ones with more denser. It is so gorgeous, this one. Now, when you think Mehndi, when you think all of those events, when you think a summer hot day, you want to dress up, feel comfy, this is the look you're going to go for. Go for 6 meters plus 2.5 dupatta plus 6 meter lining. Go for 5 meter plus dupatta plus, the 5 meter lining. Now, that's the lining I put. And look at how perfect it is. It's that kesari color in the best way. I love this color. Oh, it's so bright and nice. Okay, now that's the look. So you can see the lining, you can see the base fabric, you can see the dupatta, all of it right there. And you know, I'm going to just wear any one of these just to show you, okay? So look at the beauty. In fact, I think I should wear the dupattas and show once to you. And the fabrics to aapko main dikhai rahi hu. They are just gorgeous, okay? And kota, you know how soft it is, okay? This is because it's got that very slight finishing jab hum karte hain, jo hum starch dete hain. This is how soft it is. I don't want to do that because वो पूरा उसका grace चले जाता है, but it's actually that soft. So yes, many of you may have seen it in some other form. You may not have definitely seen it in a suit form, but it's, you know, something that you absolutely must try, must wear, must enjoy. Are we doing a contrast dupatta? Okay, we're also doing a contrast dupatta with this. So I'm going to just show it to you. It's a beautiful color in itself. What a lovely color. So you want to kind of offset the print with just a bit of, you know, this plain thing, then that you can go for this. I would say you go for a darker orange if you're going to go for the plain one. But in itself, this beautiful dupatta, okay, this is so gorgeous. I love the feel of it. This is like 3,600 per meter. And you know, we could just do any color with it. You know, we could even, like, you know, do a jacquard cotton. That would also be so amazing with it. Okay, more colors very quickly, and I want to in between show this as well. So I want to show this as well, the urus, which are there right there for you. But here you go. I'm now first showing you this lovely. Now look at that. It's a blue with a touch of purple, and it's a very different blue. Now, one thing that I want to check, can you come here 1 second? Just give me a moment. Okay, we were just checking on something. Thank you for holding on. And look at that. That's a beautiful blue, okay? Look at that blue. I love the fact that there is a purple and orange that we have done in this. I think it looks so fresh. I'm putting the lining fabric, and then this is the dupatta. You can see the dupatta right there. I think it's stunning, this print. And you know, the whole point and whole price point is such that, you know, you can experiment and you can play around with it, and you know, it like just looks so good. You feel so good about yourself. Yesterday there was a lot of love that you showed on our, you know, hot suits. So what I'm going to do is bring those hot suits to you in just a minute. You know, there was a whole post about these beautiful hot shiny nail paints and this, and then we said that, you know, that you have to wear. And because I really believe that yeah, let's do this color, let's do that color. Yeah, so I really do believe that a pop of color, and your favorite one, now that may be white for you, chahe aapke liye black ho, chahe sometimes you want to be in this really beautiful deep color, but whatever those colors are, whatever works for you, you know, it just makes you feel so good. And I know one person can have multiple feelings about color. Like someday I want to wear only white, someday I want to wear only pink, someday I want to wear black, and sometimes I just want to wear like deep beautiful colors, light ones. I mean, mood is so much, you know, what kind of makes you decide what color to pick. Now meanwhile, we're just kind of giving you this lovely set. Ye hai cotton jacquard, and this just arrived late Saturday. These are 12,800. These are full 3-piece sets, okay? 2.5 dupatta. Ye sirf sets hain. And so yeah, I also want to know the width of those fabric. This Kota fabric is a full width. This is 44, this fabric that I'm wearing, okay? This one, I will actually put up a style video for my suit the moment this gets over. We usually kind of put it up before, but today was a really busy morning. So yes, we'll be putting up the whole look for you to see and for you to place your order really quickly the moment we are done with it, okay? Now there you go, here it is. There you go, look at that. That's a stunning shade of pink, okay? It's amazing. इनकी जो width है, इनकी क्या width है? 36, 38, okay? ये जो suit sets हैं, इनमें जो width है कुर्ते की, वो है 38. The bottom fabric is also made together. You can use the bottom fabric if you want I love this color. You know, look at that. It's just amazing. All of these 12,800. In fact, so lots of options for you in this range. This summers and the last 6 months we have worked really hard to give you tons of options which will make Neve a part of your everyday wardrobe. You know, that's our intention, and that's one color. And then I'm going to show you that one more color. That's amazing. Okay, that's amazing. I'm going to show you one more color, and then we're going to go back to the remaining prints. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, I'm just showing you कि ये bottom है, ये kurta है. Look at that here. There you see. You can see that. That's the kurta, and that's the bottom. And then you're going to see the dupatta. Let's see, is the dupatta? Yes, that's the dupatta. Soft, flowy again. No zari in this, no zari in the look that I'm wearing. The one that I'm wearing is about 10,000 with 13,000 with lining. जो मैंने look पहना है. So that's about 13,000 with lining. This one without lining, 12,800. You add another 2,400 and you'll have it with lining. Okay. Now let's go to a bright and beautiful print again. You know, and we're gonna go to the blues. Look at this. Okay, you say that you want just the fabric, 1450 per meter, kota and cotton, and just jitna bhi aapko kharide. It's just beautiful. Okay, it's very, very pretty. So you can just go for it. That's your lining. That's your lining at the back. So that's the perfect color match lining, which is 480 per meter. And I do think that it does make so much sense to kind of go for the whole look together. And just look at that. That's your kurta. This is your dupatta. How many more left in this? That's your dupatta. Okay. Now take your pick for this color, or now I'm going to show you this dupatta. Look at this, is also looking very beautiful. Kuch colors mein I think the plains are looking as nice. The look is of course, you know, better with the prints, but with some colors like this one is looking especially nice. The red was also looking very nice. So this is another one that you can go for many options. And honestly, I think it is something that you can pick up so easily, more than one, because you know you want to wear like, you know, different concepts in it. And it's something that just looks good every day. So, you know, like complete makes sense. Okay. Now again, the lining. That's the lining. Here you go. That's the lining. Okay. That beautiful, beautiful look perfected by that same lining. And then added and completed by the dupatta, which is, okay, which is here. Where now first I used to handle one fabric. Then it came on to two fabrics. Now it's like four fabrics. But look at that. It's just amazing. The full set. Strong recommendation to do the linings as well. Lining में 2-3 दिन लगता है मैं dye करने में, but that's it. But it's like a summer hot cake. I think this also looks really, really hot. Very, very nice. And the mats is more or less the same. You can just ask us again. A touch of yellow that looks incredible. Okay. Now see, even for a lining, it's so, you know, there's so much thing. The lining is based on the base. That is what it gives you the look. Okay. So look at that. This is the lining and this is how it's based with that. Okay. So I've done it with it, and okay, so now you can see it. Now this is the perfect color match, the base color. Then we bring this, the dupatta, and then you can see the whole look right there. Incredible. I love the borders, the pop of red, the yellow flowers. Okay, ये पूरा ही कोटा cotton है. And then we're going to do the dupatta, which is this hot, hot yellow. As I said, I love the yellows. I think it's looking superbly nice. Yes, superbly nice. And place your order right away to kind of, you know, get these beauties. You cannot miss them because they're like, you know, hot cakes, and they should be worn like right away. You shouldn't take too much time planning, thinking I'm giving you the style guide. Do a nice neck. You know, you can go without sleeves. You can go for a longer kalidar kurta. अच्छा, kalidar kurta बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. I love this. You know, this whole tinge of sea green that we've done with the orange. I think it looks so special. Now you see, we are also learning and making all of these beautiful new combinations that, you know, sometimes I would have like be so worried about, you know, mixing up peach and green, but today, you know, I do feel that confidence that, you know, we can kind of pull it off in a look. So look at that, that's the whole green. ये जो border है ना, ये जो चल रही है, इसको आप छोड़िएगा मत. Make sure this, all this you're seeing, right? This whole, मेरे गले में तो I have done the thread, but if you'll see here, bottom में, and I will give you the whole picture, okay? So don't worry about that. This, all of it are lining, all color match. It is creating the same look, okay? Now this, and then this beautiful one. There you go. And yes, in the stories today, we're going to connect the live so that you really can find. Is the last one. And this is the last in the prints. Then we are going to go to something which is very, very different, which is going to be about cotton jacquards and in white, and something that you cannot have enough of, I think. So it's a good thing. It's a very, very good thing because it's also really wearable. Now check that out. Here you go. Really hot orange. Okay, the last I'm going to tell you on the silhouette. Okay, I'll tell you on the price. 1450 per meter. ठीक है, that's the price. अगर आप 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टा लेते हैं तो इसकी जो प्राइसिंग आती है that is about 10,875. देन अगर आप 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टा प्लस 5 मीटर लाइनिंग लेते हैं तो इट इज 13,275. एंड इफ यू डू द कोटा दुपट्टा प्लस 5 मीटर इट्स 10,850. सो टेक योर पिक ऑन द वन दैट यू लाइक द मोस्ट. यस, फ्री इंडिया शिपिंग अबाउट 10,000 और उसके नीचे इट्स 350. एंड इफ यू गोना गो फॉर इंटरनेशनल शिपिंग इट्स अबाव लाइक 350. Kota cotton, beautiful, for me, nostalgia, lot of nostalgia. Oh, look at this, okay? Guys, one to take out the fear of wearing bright colors because I don't think there is anybody in the world who carries bright, beautiful colors as beautifully as you do, we do, Yes, the dupatta, if 2.5 आप ले सकते हैं, and bottom and kurta, you can take 6 meters. And what is the cost of 2.5? Just 2.5 into 1450. I want to know for that. Okay, and you can take 6 meters, you can take 5 meters, you can take 8 meters. Okay, which is 3,625. That's the cost of the dupatta. And you can do the most softest falling anarkalis. Lots of ghera in your skirts or lehengas, and then you can do a small proper blouse, a longer blouse with the same fabric and a light dupatta. Amazing, amazing dressiness. Do some gold work and you will look beautiful. From that, I'm going to go to something which is different. Okay, and let's get the dupattas going. I want the top dupattas to keep coming in here. So yes, we have done prints, and that is the new launch. We have shown you our Chanderi cottons, which also we wanted to show you. But we are also showing you something brand new, which is our cotton jacquard with just a touch of zari. And this is all 2,250 per meter. By the meter, okay? Now, what will also go really well with it is this beautiful Ek Tara dupatta. So, look at that. Yes. And this is pure cotton Ek Tara dupatta. So, of course, we will have, the prints. We will have the, the jacquards, which were non-zari weaves. And then we will have all glorious summer, beautiful, beautiful weaves right there. Now, look at this dupatta. Here is this fabric. This is 2,250 per meter. This dupatta 32,800, and I will show you अलग-अलग designs. और इस fabric में तो मैं design दिखा ही रही हूँ, but I'm also going to show you. Now look at that. It's got just that touch of gold. It's pure white, so wear it in white. Again, you will need a really good lining to come here. So wear that. Ask us, we will do it for you. 480 per meter. But what I was saying was, wear it same on same to make it a little dressy. You can even do a A-line kurta, front buttons, and then a broad bottom. Our style guides go to you for every parcel which is above 50,000. And so yeah, एक बार में अगर आपने 50,000 place किया order, so of course you'll get the style guide. Yeah, singular order 50,000. Okay, remember that. And I mean the hard copy of it. Otherwise we do have the style guides on the page. What a beautiful combination. First things first, this is the most glorious dupatta, and this is like the fabric with it, which I think looks amazing. Are the zari same? No, they're not. They're made on a totally different style weave, tied together, so they're not the same color zari. But I also think it doesn't matter. because it's really about the look. अब ये देखिए, this is also 2250 per meter. Okay, so we may take a break, for the lives. I know today is Monday, but ये इस month का एक बड़ा launch है. And yes, so I wanted to kind of show it to you that we've done this, and and it's of course the last launch. Today is 26th, right? Yeah, 26th, 28th. Oh my god, the month is ending. Yeah, I don't know, I'm on some different planet, but yes, it's 28th, last launch, probably the last live of the month. So make the most of it, and you will find, oh, what a design. Look at this. Just so happy with it. Self jacquard, dye build, 2250 per meter. What is it that is stopping you from buying from Neve, or especially पहली बार? If anything, you have जो भी हिचक है, आप एक चीज ट्राई करें आज के लाइफ से, कुछ भी आप चाहें तो, that's up to you. But what an incredible piece. अब मैं एक पीस है और मैं इसके साथ जितने भी इसके कलर्स हैं, we're going to be doing that. I'm going to show you the most beautiful linen dupatta. Look at that. Oh, what a stunning color. Okay, that's 18,800. Fresh as it gets. And this one, look at that. I'm going to show it to you like this. You can, oh, what a beautiful look. If you've been worrying that you want something without zari, this is perfect. A white and purple, or get it dyed. 2250 per meter, 18,800. Okay, I'm going to keep this fabric because I have to show you different dupattas. And why am I showing you so many dupattas? Because I do have enough of it today as of now. So you can get, like, oh, the gray is amazing. So this is the season where you can wear these, you can enjoy these. And of course the classic red and white, we'll also do that for you. Let's show it to you like this. Okay, and what we are doing are linen dupattas. This one is beautiful in red, and मैं अभी यही डिजाइन इसलिए चला रही हूँ पहली बार, तो इसमें जाल है. I think it looks really wonderful with the buta, and that's my main idea why I'm still showing you with it. I will show you and this is a brand new, oh, look at that, the purple, and the purple and the gray and the red. Finally, this amazing shade, 18,800. It's stunning, this yellow with it. There's another slightly different purple, so मैं ये भी दिखा रही हूँ. This is the last, and now I'm going to do away with this weave that I have. Okay, you're going to go for 5 meters plus this incredible dupatta. That's basically the look. You can definitely go for 5 meters, make a really nice kalidar kurta, plain bottom, or you go for a same on same. That always looks dressier. Okay, so now from there I have one more design jiske sath I'm going to do these two dupattas. This is going to be almost the end of what we're doing. Now let's show you this fabric. Ye zyada nahi hai. Then you know the drill that if you want to go for your fabrics as much as you want, you got to go really quickly. Now this one again, 2250 per meter, really soft dye build, all things perfect for you today. And then we're going to go have the most beautiful, look at that. This is the most beautiful pure cotton, and it's made with a satin border, and it's dye build like this particular fabric, but wear it with white to enjoy the beauty. This speaks and spells summer and luxury and something that is so rare, all of it together, and which is this particular piece right here. I love this dupatta. This is also the same price point, 32,800 as the Ektara. This is pure cotton. Okay, Ektara is also pure cotton. Yeah, you can wear it every day. The whites, you can wear it. Okay, chalo, I'll do this design now. So now my point is that that's Ektara. Ektara is a particular kind of weave. You can do Ektara silk, which we do. You can do Ektara cotton, which we do. This is pure cotton. The difference in that is how it's woven. Usme दाने होते हैं. The reed, the fabric threads that are used are thicker. So all things like that. What a soft pink. Okay, just beautiful. And my forever favorite combination is always white and pink. I could do pink on pink, पर मुझे लगता है हमेशा मजा नहीं आता उसमें इतना जितना white and pink में आता है. To me, that's always the ideal combination. I mean, and particularly about this pink. And look at it. This is why I say that it is just perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to show you another pink that we have. That's your option for it. This is also very pretty. There you go. Look at that. Just amazing. Two options for you to choose from. Okay, and yeah, we're almost there. But I'm just wondering, okay, I'm going to add 2 lightweight dupattas to this live today. And really nice. These are like 5,500. Very pretty. Oh, look at that. You can do any of the jacquards. So you say, you know, I want a really nice look, but I want you know, something which is light. Then 5,500. This one, and this is a 6,800 one. Okay, let's show it to you. It's pure cotton and it's got zari, and I think it looks wonderful in white. This is also another option that's really great. Okay, from that, I just want one kesari dupatta. This is also really good, again with the jacquards on their own. Even with this is 10,800. It's in chanderi, and yeah, you can do a full green suit, wear your green jewelry like a plain chanderi. That would also be good if you're doing a plain chanderi look with it. Okay, very recently we've done 2 kinds. What we always have called the premium chanderi, which are great for volume silhouettes and something if you like really soft. And the guff chanderi, which we have this brown look, okay, which thanks to you guys is doing really well. We sell a couple of those suits every day since the day we launched it, all thanks to you. Okay, no plans for exhibition in the next 2 months, for sure 3 months. We are in Mumbai, and online ordering has never been simpler. You see it, you take one piece, एक cut try करें, एक suit try करें. You know, and I'm saying the starting range, okay, the 10,000 ones, the 12,000 ones. Don't go like, oh, I like everything. Just buy one, okay? And we're going to be in our studio for some time now. So this is your chance to place your order online. Wo hichak hataye and go for it. Now, okay, so on that, this is the linen, and it's just beautiful. This is Karwa linen. Why I'm showing it to you is that we had put up a story, I don't remember, on Saturday, not maybe earlier, I think on Friday, and where we had shown some linen fabrics. Kuch hai available, but it's mostly on pre-order. And when you're wearing that, you know, these dupattas are just perfect, Karwa, stunning. But these are 26,800, and what you can do is you can go for these dupattas with plain suits, even in chanderi, the one you just saw in whites. Can I get any white again? Just any white, okay? Any white will do. I want to give you the look. Look at how amazing it looks. Okay, so when you say, yeah, I like the linen, but the linen has a different zari, of course they will have, they're all made differently. Okay, then you go for this, because this is 2250 per meter, pehli baat. So even your 5 meter is like some 10,000 something, and then you have this glorious dupatta in many colors which you can go for. And actually just keep the white, any white, because I just want to show you how amazing they look with this combination. You can dye it if you want. And really, मैंने आज, you know, ये सोचा था कि आपकी Monday morning, you're giving me this time right now. I know how busy all of you are. It's most valuable. What is your time, okay, to me? So if you're giving me this time, I want to show you the most beautiful options. I love this color, okay? It's a nice sea green, all karwa, all clean. The dupatta is linen by silk. I want to give you the most beautiful. Okay, we have the whites. Okay, so yes, that's a good news that the white in this dupatta has just arrived. So we do now have the whites. But to me, for now, I'm not picking up this lovely color. But yes, white ka apna charm hai, sure. I mean, there's no denying. We were just talking about how on some days you just want to wear whites, and on some days you should just be wearing colors like these. And okay, let's get the white again. But this, of course, you can do white. But honestly, and that's my job, to give you the correct suggestion. With this one, I would say that you dye it, even if it's the same color, even if it's red, it'll look nice. Nicer. बहुत सुंदर है, and same on same will look very beautiful. Kesaria are wonderful color. We are based in Mumbai. हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं. Anywhere in the world, we are shipping from the day we have started our work. You know, the day knee was made. So that's it. The very last one, okay, just this last, okay, let's do that. There is so much of these beautiful pieces that we want to share with you, you know, all of these glorious pieces that we make for you, but it's just the time and season for it. So, you know, yes, again, I'm showing you the white look. You can choose. This is definitely perfect with light. मैं इसको blue dye कर सकती हूँ and it will give you a nice look, but ज़्यादा ये जो उठता है ये you know, this color. Okay, and then again we're going to do, okay, yeah, let's do this one now, because this one is our newest design and it's available. And let's get this on a white on white. Okay, now you'll see this is a white dupatta which is very beautiful, 10,800. You can wear it with this. Otherwise you can also go for ये zari wala hai, इसमें zari hai, and then we can also do this without it. I think it looks really cool with both. So pick out any. Summers hai and we are making so much of our beautiful pieces. In fact, hope you have caught our reel. एक reel हमने ऐसी बनाई है जिसमें आप सारे हमारे premium colors देख सकते हैं, you know. So, you know, we've done it so that you really can find, and this I think is the 18,800 linen. एक color रह गया था, and that's the last and the final piece that I wanted to show you. Again, let's do this one with it because I think ये बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Last live, I know the week has just started, so I'm saying last live of the month. Okay, last live of the month, definitely the last launch. The beautiful, look at that, it's very pretty, guys. Lot of fire. Can I get my dupatta back? Lot of fire on the new launch today. Make the most of it. It is absolutely amazing. What is the look? I'm going to very quickly recap for anybody who's joined in now, but हमेशा याद रखिए हमारे lives YouTube, Facebook, Instagram पे जैसे ही खत्म होते हैं ये lives, we post it as videos and then you can see all the details. Mine is an all print kota cotton look and I think it is okay. This I'm going to do it like this I'm going to do it like this and get settled for closing it. But what I mean is, look at this softness. This is a full print look. My bottom is also a print and that is the whole beauty of it. I will be putting up the picture right away, the whole look as well, and you can place your order. Capsule, lovely, perfect for this season. Now is the time to place your order. अगर आप नए हैं, I'm going to very quickly say, ये वीडियो अभी जैसे ही खत्म होगा हम पोस्ट करेंगे Facebook, Instagram and YouTube पे. You can see it. नीचे नंबर लिखा हुआ है. आप एक फोटो लाएं, नंबर पे भेजें, and then ask us detail जो भी आप जानना चाहते हैं, price, weight, length, photo, video, all of that. Then you can do a token amount nominal, and then the rest you can do on cash and delivery या Paytm, GPay, Razorpay के लिंक से पे कर सकते हैं. All over the world we are shipping, so कहीं से भी आप very easily you can place order with us. Have a great day and the start of the week. We are very excited for this week indeed, and it's the last launch of the month of last live, so make the most of it. Happy Monday. Have a great